Hello, I'm Amanda McAnew, Director of Media Relations, and this is Plano City News. If you're walking, running, or riding along Chisholm Trail, you may see some closures over the next week or so. Crews are removing sediment from creek underpasses to help improve drainage. They're starting at Chisholm Trail under the Independence Parkway Bridge, where built-up silt is being removed. Each day, crews move the material nearby to dry off so they can haul it away. Once work wraps up there, the drainage team will start removing sediment from under the Spring Creek Parkway Bridge. The goal is improved water quality and a lower risk of flooding. If you're looking for a way to give back, we could use your help this fall. The Love Where You Live Fall Service Day is Saturday, September 26th, and this year we're headed to the Meadows Edition neighborhood. Volunteers will work together with residents and city staff on minor exterior home projects like painting, fence repair, and landscaping, as well as litter cleanup in the neighborhood. Love Where You Live is a city program that brings people together to strengthen Plano neighborhoods and help residents care for the places they call home. Interested in joining? Visit plano.gov/LWYL to volunteer. Plano's arts community was in the spotlight last weekend at the Courtyard Theater. Collaborative Arts of Plano hosted its 5th annual Celebrate the Arts, bringing local performers and artists together for a full day of entertainment. The stage featured everything from dancers and musicians to theater and choral performances. The event also gave local visual arts organizations a chance to showcase their work with activities and exhibits throughout the day. Celebrate the Arts brings Collaborative Arts of Plano member organizations together in one place to showcase the variety of arts happening right here in Plano. There's still time to find a new best friend during Clear the Shelters month. Now through August 31st, adoption fees are waived at the Plano Animal Shelter. And while there are plenty of cats and dogs looking for homes, several of the shelter's larger dogs have been waiting a little longer for someone to give them a chance. Before you head to the shelter, take a look at all the adoptable pets online. You can also check what documents you need to bring so you're ready once you arrive. Speaking of dogs waiting for their families, meet Benson, our pet of the week. Benson is a German Shepherd mix who is about 7 years old, fully house trained, and an obedience class graduate. He knows lots of commands, including sit, come, and stay. Benson is playful and loving. He enjoys elk antlers and chew-proof toys, and he loves children. He's one of the Plano Animal Shelter's spotlight animals this week, and he is ready for a new home. To learn more about Benson or any other pets up for adoption, head to share.plano.gov/petsforadoption. That does it for this week's edition of Plano City News. For more from our great city, head to social media or our website, plano.gov. We'll see you again soon.